Phones, they're the things that we love the most. We can do a whole lots of stuff with it, like watching videos, browse through social medias, and a whole bunch of stuff. But we get so caught up with our phones that we somehow can't live without it. Or is it? This February, I did something that I never thought that I would be doing in my life, which is doing a social media detox for a month. It's not 30 days because February has 28 days, but it still counts as a month. This is a challenge that I set for myself to see what I can do if I'm not on social media. And here are the things that I found out. I found out that I have more time to do my videos, and because Chinese New Year lands on February, I ended up making a video about how I celebrate Chinese New Year, but I'm still editing it. I have more time learning things on YouTube, do my chores, go to the gym, and finally find the time to meditate. But I'm still working on that. Doing a social media detox doesn't mean that there's no challenge at all when it comes to using your phone, because sometimes you need to use your phone for work or to reply a text and so much more. Like when it comes to business, sometimes people use social media to do their business. And this is what I found out when it comes to running a business on social media while doing a social media detox. Keeping track of your phone usage helps a lot. I've downloaded an app called Moment, which is not sponsored and it's not the Moment app that takes photos. The app helps me track how long have I been using my phone and the number of pickups in a day. When you start to notice that you've been wasting too much time on your phone, it's a good reminder for you to just leave your phone and to find something else to do. When it comes to my social media apps, I've kept it in my phone because, well, I'm just too lazy to download it again after deleting it. So what I do is, after posting something on Instagram or Facebook, I immediately lock my phone or just press the home button to avoid browsing through the apps. And if there's like a DM, I just reply them instantly or maybe wait for a while if it's not important. I know what you're thinking. How can you say that you're doing a social media detox when you're still using social media? But the answer to that is yes, you are right. You can do a social media detox when you're still using social media. But what you can do is to remind yourself that you're doing a social media detox whenever you find out that you've spent a lot of time on your phone. I think that helps a lot in my opinion, because I find that I constantly slack off a little bit when it comes to like using my phone, and then when I got caught into like awkward situations, and it eventually develops into a habit for me. It's like when I'm eating out with my friends, I always remind myself that I'm doing a social media detox, and that actually stops me from pulling up my phone to like check stuff. And when it comes to developing this into a habit, it doesn't happen instantly. You have to really ease into it, let it flow into your life, and then just don't force this social media detox into your life, because it's gonna be chaos. February actually taught me a lot, you know. Like I got to spend more time with my friends and family, and then actually spend more time on important stuff rather than spending time on this little device right here. And February also taught me that there's just so many things to do in life. And you know what's that? That's called living life. And when you started to apply that in your life, then your challenge has completed, and you can take back your phone now. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I just want to let you know that I'm actually starting a new podcast or show where I sit down with like influencers, creatives, digital marketers, filmmakers, like a whole bunch of people, and I will have more guests on the show in the future. So the show is called The Convo. I actually sat down with like all of the people to talk about creativity and all of the stuff that you might want to know. And all of the videos will be on this YouTube channel. And if you don't really have the time to watch it, you can actually listen to the podcast on Spotify or on Anchor. Just search for The Convo J-Fu and you'll be able to see my face on the podcast section. And yeah, let me know what you think about the podcast and the video that you watched just now. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next week.